Welcome to Alpha Review. What happens when you blend the legendary touring comfort of a Honda Gold Wing with the compact utility of a tiny camper? You get the Gold Wing RV. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at something truly unique. This isn't a custom job or a Photoshop fantasy, this is a real, albeit rare, kit that transforms a Gold Wing into a tiny, two-person motorhome. These are typically aftermarket Trike conversions from specialized companies like Trike or others, rather than an official Honda product. The conversion, Trike Foundation. The core of this transformation is the conversion from a two-wheel motorcycle to a three-wheel Trike. Chassis modification, the Gold Wing's rear wheel and swing arm are replaced by a heavy-duty Trike axle and suspension system. Companies often utilize an independent rear suspension (IRS) setup with upper and lower control arms to maintain a smooth ride, despite the added weight of the camper body. Stability and handling. While the Trike platform offers vastly improved stability over a two-wheeled motorcycle, especially when parked or moving slowly, it completely changes the handling. It no longer leans into corners. Steering requires counter-steering efforts similar to a car, but with a much narrower track, making the feel distinctive. The power source, the powerful 1833 cubic centimeters Honda Flat 6 engine is the reliable heart of the machine, known for its smooth power delivery and high torque. This is essential for comfortably moving the now heavier vehicle, which can easily exceed 1,200 pounds in some conversions. The Camper Module, Cozy Living. The cabin attached to the Trike chassis is designed for maximum utility in a minimum space, prioritizing sleeping and basic shelter over extensive cooking or bathroom facilities. Interior configuration. The internal space is a micro-living area, often featuring a small bench seat that quickly converts into a single or small double sleeping berth. The emphasis is on durable, lightweight materials to keep the overall vehicle weight manageable. Amenities and features. Climate control. Given the Gold Wing's sophisticated controls, the rider's section often has heated grips and seats. The rear module, however, relies on passive ventilation or, in some premium versions, a small fan or portable AC unit. Power. A dedicated 12V power system is common for interior LED lighting and charging phones or small electronics. Some advanced kits may even integrate small solar panels on the roof to assist with off-grid charging. Storage. Clever storage solutions are paramount, utilizing overhead cabinets and underbench compartments. The large rear window often suggests a bright, if compact, interior space. Aesthetics. The camper shell is usually made from lightweight, durable fiberglass and is designed to visually integrate with the Gold Wing's aerodynamic fairings, making it look like a factory-produced motorhome. Cost and market position. Pricing. The Gold Wing itself is a premium touring bike. Adding a full Trike/camper conversion kit can be a substantial investment. Unofficial estimates for the full converted vehicle can range significantly, but are often placed in the $45,000 to $60,000 plus USD range, depending on the base bike's year and the complexity of the conversion kit. Target audience. This machine caters to a very specific niche, the long-distance touring enthusiast who loves the open-air feel of a motorcycle but wants the self-contained, immediate comfort and shelter of a small RV without the hassle of towing a trailer. What other specific feat? Freedom-loving road warriors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement about minimalist, long-distance adventure. The foundation, Gold Wing and the Trike conversion at its core, the vehicle remains a Honda Gold Wing, currently the GL1800 generation, a motorcycle revered globally for its luxurious ride, technological sophistication, and the sheer power of its 1833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled horizontally opposed flat 6 engine. This six-cylinder powerhouse is the key to the entire operation. It produces robust torque upwards of 170/text Nm, newest generation, at low RPMs, which is absolutely vital for managing the significant extra payload of the camper conversion. This torque output is what prevents the Gold Wing RV from feeling sluggish on highway merges or mountain passes, though its overall performance profile shifts dramatically from a fast tourer to a stable motorhome. The crucial first step is the Trike conversion. The standard motorcycle swing arm and single rear wheel are removed, and a custom Trike subchassis is bolted in place. This subchassis typically uses an independent rear suspension (IRS) system, which is crucial for passenger and cabin comfort. High-end conversions feature adjustable coilover shocks and sophisticated linkages, like a patented ladder bar system, to handle the asymmetrical road forces and isolate the camper body from vibrations. This Trike axle provides the lateral stability that makes the camper body feasible, but it fundamentally alters the Gold Wing's famous two-wheeled handling.